Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Twilio Verify status for SMS and identity checks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Twilio Verify status for SMS and identity checks, begin by logging into your Twilio console. Navigate to the Verify section in the dashboard menu. Select the Services tab to view your existing verification services. Locate the service for which you want to check the status. Click on the service to access its details. Next, find the Verification tab within the service dashboard. Here, you will see a list of recent verification attempts. You can filter the results by date, status, or verification type for easier analysis. Click on a specific verification request to view its detailed status. This will provide you with information such as the status, channel used, and any error messages, if applicable. To check identity verification status, return to the main service dashboard. Select the Identity tab located alongside the Verification tab. This section will display information regarding recent identity checks. Review each entry for detailed results, including success or failure reasons. If you face any issues, consult the Log section for error specifics. For additional clarity, the Twilio documentation provides comprehensive guidance on status meanings and next steps. Remember, keeping track of verification statuses helps ensure your application runs smoothly and securely. This concludes the step-by-step process for verifying Twilio Verify status for SMS and identity checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.